Hi guys, it's me Simi and welcome to La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one stop for all things beauty. And we've searched the country for the next 12 rapidly rising beauty vloggers to join us for the YouTube Next Up for beauty creators with L'Oréal Paris. Today, you and I are gonna make them spill some beans with some very probing questions that I have for each one of them. So let's go. Hi Sakshi, how are you? It's so good to see you.
I'm a little bored to be honest, but I'm so super excited to know what's in store for me. I heard you have a question.
So here it goes. If you were to be a product, which one would you be and why?
So I think I'd be a no hex given body lotion. You know how the outside world and their constant judgments about you is constantly drying you up? Well, I think this deep nourishing moisturizer is not only going to make my skin shine, but my soul shine. Speaking about what shines,
is that Little Miss Gurung? Because girl, we need to talk. Okay, so how are you doing?
I feel like I'm on an emotional roller coaster because of everything that's happening around the world, but learning dancing online is really keeping me grounded, motivated and happy, and I think that's why I speak so passionately about mental health. And right now I just hope my videos are making everyone happy too. Speaking of happy, I just got this parcel delivered. It's the cutest thing ever. I want to show you. Wait, whoops!
Hey Simi, what are you doing in my coffee again?
Angelina, oh my god, how did I reach from Delhi to Mumbai?
You get one question, is that what you want to ask?
Yeah, you're being really smart now, Angelina, but the real question is, what is that one assumption that people have about you?
Actually, I'm from Nagaland and it's in the northeast side of India, and there was this one time when I was on my way to get some food for myself, and there was this guy who came up to me and asked if I'm from Japan. Do I not look Indian enough, Uma?
Are we in Tamil Nadu now?
Yeah, you are at my coffee table. You can now shoot your question.
Alright, so you want to come straight to the point. That's good, I like it. So your question is, what is the most challenging thing about being a regional influencer battling with acne problem?
Skincare to me is actually a process, it is a lifestyle, and to make people understand that is the most challenging thing I have ever faced. When you are an acne prone person and when you talk about skincare, that is where a lot of difference of opinion come. That is where you get a lot of hate comments. Also here in Chennai, what happens is people always believe less is more, and the kind of makeup or the choice of makeup here is always little different compared to other parts of India. So my family needs me, I've got to go. Bye bye Simi, see you next time.
Gotcha. Hey Simi. Hi Latika, nice catch. So now that you're here, let me ask you a question. Are you ready?
Alright, shoot.
Alright, so you have to tell me, what's your guilty pleasure?
I would love to jam to some cheesy romantic Punjabi music or just zone out to sad Bollywood music. My ideal day would be indulging in a lavish buffet filled with rich food at probably some exotic location. And speaking of travel, check this out.
Whoa! Oh, hi Simi.
Whoa! Hi Meghna, how are you doing? How's the weather in Namma, Bangalore? I'm good girl. So the question that I have for you is, because now I've seen your content revolve around, being productive, and you give a lot of tips about how you can be productive during the day. So what about the days when you don't feel like doing anything and you just want to laze around?
Honestly speaking, I'm the sort of person that likes to be productive most of the time, which can be a blessing and a curse, because of course I can get a lot of work done, but when I do decide to take a break, I just feel guilty and I feel like I don't deserve that break, which is really sad, but I am working on that. It does get difficult at times, especially being both a YouTuber and a dancer. Oh, that reminds me, I just want to show you a move that I just learned. This is how it goes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, ha!
my goodness, she can really pack a punch. Hi Simi.
Hi Sarah, how are you doing? So tell me, what is one of your biggest fears?
All my years growing up, I was constantly shamed for belonging to a darker skin tone, and then in my teenage years, I was shamed for having a face full of acne. And it did not matter if I stood first in class every year, or if I topped the SSC board, or if I even went on to take medicine as a career in life, I was still labelled and tagged for what my external appearance looked like. So to turn things around for me, I decided to break all stereotypes and go ahead to become a medical student who is also a beauty YouTuber. And everyone who is viewing me and views my channel, I want them to feel that it is normal to have brown skin, normal to have acne, and normal to have stretch marks on your body. And you know what? I also have another big fear, which actually is...
Hey Simi, I knew it had to be you. Here for my question.
Oh yes, hi Aparna, you got that right. So what's that real beauty that you look for in a person which is on the inside and that should also reflect on the outside?
Well, there are many parameters, but I have found that the base or the foundation actually is how comfortable a person is within themselves. Because when that happens, they're not really comparing themselves with the world, they're not as insecure. So, you know, even if you don't give them very high fashion clothes or you don't have very elaborate makeup, they still kind of shine through with that comfort they have within, and that's quite beautiful and amazing.
Oh wow, that was really deep. I wasn't expecting that. But do you have any position that you want to share? Okay, yoga position that you want to share with me?
Sure, I'll share with you a yoga posture. Just lie back all the way, extend your feet, elongate your back all the way from your tailbone. Breathe in, extend your arms up. Exhale as you fall down.
Get that down, Diji. Oh my god, I can't do it. I'm done.
Hi Shruti, is that you? Your curls are looking fabulous today, girl.
Thank you, thank you. Right back at Chasimi.
Hi, thank you so much. Alright, so tell me that one big decision that you've had to make in life and how's it working out for you?
Okay, so the biggest and the toughest decision is definitely quitting my 9 to 6 job, and I'll tell you why. Bachpan se I always used to talk to the mirror and explain my imaginary audience what I'm doing, my makeup, my hair, my outfit and everything. I think vlogging ka keeda pehle se hi tha, but when I started my YouTube channel a year and a half back, the emotions that I felt was so raw. That's the main reason why I quit my 9 to 6 job, to give it a full try. And yeah, so far so good. You know who else can relate with my career and curly hair problems?
Hi Simi, I think I know what's next.
So tell me that one dream or goal that you've chased for a long time and you finally achieved it.
Ever since I was a teen, I always wanted to do something of my own, but I didn't have a clarity on what to do. But then when I started making YouTube videos and I found love for all the creative work, I was like, yes, you know, this is what I need to do. I need to do something of my own. So that's when I quit my 9 to 5 job and I started my own venture. So yeah, I'm still chasing it and I have a long way to go. Now Himadri is waiting for you in Dehradun, so I'm gonna quickly send you there.
Hey Simi, how are you? I just got to know that you have a question for me and I am feeling a little nervous right now.
Yes, all of you should be nervous. So tell me that one thing about you that the internet doesn't know.
So honestly speaking, Simi, I have done so many Indian wedding looks on my channel. I have never been into an Indian wedding in my entire life, which I think is so funny because I know how to dress up, how to glam up, I know how to do all that stuff, but in reality, I literally have no place to go. And I think I have something on my lens. Can you wait for a sec? I'll just clean this up and just wait.
It's gone now.
Hi Rachna, how are you doing? All good?
Yes, as good as it gets.
I have something that I wanted to ask you because I've seen you make a lot of videos on anti-aging and facial exercises. So what is that one thing about beauty that you've noticed at your age?
I feel that women at my age just let go of their appearance and skincare. I want to bring that back, and I feel that obviously the priorities change, but making yourself a priority should be a priority, right? At my age, when I started the YouTube channel at around 39, I couldn't find much content related to our age group, and today you won't believe not only the women in their middle age but even the teenagers, the young women are warming up to this anti-aging thing and they have been loving my videos.
Oh wow, that's actually very interesting. Thank you so much for being this honest, Rachna. So I think that's all for today. I'll see you next time then. Bye. And And there you have it, our Hot 12 content creators who will be spending the week with us. They'll be learning from the industry experts on beauty and film production only at YouTube Next Up for beauty creators with La Maison, L'Oreal Paris. So thank you so much girls for joining me today and being so honest. Oh, 1 second, wait, hold up. Oh, hello again ladies. You all look so beautiful in your own unique get-ups, but may I know why have you all decked up?
Because of course.